How to buy SolX, the Solaxy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X accounts. And as you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to their official website, because this token is under a pre-sale. Now, what you need to do here, and first, make sure to select one of these if you want to buy with Ethereum or USD or card. Now, select one of these. Now, before that, just click on connect your wallet, and now after that, select one of these wallets. If you don't have if you don't find your wallet here, just click I don't have a wallet, and as you can see, you will screen this QR code to download the best wallet app and create your account there and buy an app with card or crypto. Now for this, I connect your wallet, click on it and select your wallet. For this, I will use MetaMask. Now after that, click on connect, and after your wallet connected to the pre-sale page, what you need to do is just selecting one of these three options. For me, I will select USDT. Now here I will enter how much I want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive. Now they said that make sure you have 0.005 Ethereum for gas and USDT for the token to exchange. Now make sure you have enough USDT and Ethereum in your wallet to be able to complete the buy process for this token. After that, you can click on buy SolX. Now if you want to buy with BNB, you can click on it, and as you can see, buy with BSC. And now as you can see, the network will change to BNB chain, and click on approve. Now after this, you can see the Ethereum is switched to BNB because you selected the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now here, if you want to buy with BNB, just enter how much you want to buy, as you can see, and make sure you have enough, have 0.0025 BNB for gas and USDT or BNB for the token exchange. If you select USDT, you will see here USDT replaced with BNB. As you can see, you will see here USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT or BNB or Ethereum in your wallet to be able to complete the buy this token. If you want to buy with card, just click on buy with card and enter here how much you want to buy by dollar. As you can see, you can buy with SolX and click continue. Wait a few seconds. After that, as you can see, this page will pop up. Now here, enter your phone number. You will receive a code. Now just paste it here in this page and click on submit to complete the buy process. As you can see, so this is how to buy SolX token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.